welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be playing Slime Rancher. Full game. Home zone. Adventure mode, and we're gonna. What? I made a cookie. Post it. Probably wondering how I'm playing a PC game, even though I usually play on mobile PC. And well, now I can do more videos. Light years away from Earth, on a planet known as the Far, Far Range, Beatrix Lego begins her first day at the Slime Rancher. Okay, let's get moving. Oh, what's this? What the? Left click to back, or I guess right click since. Oh, slime thing. Slime. Oh, let's see what we're select the tank. Shit. Shoot Buddha the pink slime. Hey you. Ah! Take the food. Take the food. Take it. What is that? Pink floor. Eat the other food. Eat the other food. Bam. Bam. Take food. Slime. Through a coral barrier. Guess I need more slimes. Here, slime boy. I don't want to take so long with these videos. It's already been 3 minutes. Yay! More of a cookie. Slime floor. The floor market. Head over to the floor market to cash in your floor. I guess it's currency. Oh wait, there's coins down the bottom. New box? Bam. Oh, it's got 11 points. Oh, here's the stuff. We've got the pink floor. Looks to be a rock floor. What actually looks to be like a rock floor. Or a gray floor. And a purple floor. Funny thing, it kind of looks like the Ibis ones. If you play Piggy, you know what I'm talking about. Starmouth from Casey. I don't care about that. Yeah. What's on here? When the ASMR is less. Now that's a lot of slimes. Fire. what if I just... Escape. I don't actually know how we end the game. Well, I know. This will get clipped a lot sooner. So in future episodes, we can continue it, and I'm definitely doing more episodes unless like I'm promising. Hey, yo, what's that? What the? What is all this? Largo slime is a large slime target formed when the slime is formed and now it's he just hurt me? These slimes are ore. Anything else? So I'm going back. Bro, what the heck? How has it already been 8 minutes? Sheesh. I'm gonna suck at actually keeping videos short. That's how you can do it. What is this? Explore this? Or... yeah. We're exploring that in the next one. Screw this, I'm too scared of it. I'm not going in. Let's get it. Let's get it. Roar first. Bum, bum, bum. I just gotta grow a giant entire farm with all these crops.
We actually figured out where we should go.
You did? Nice.
I said why not we should go to
Why not? We should go. Yeah.
I know we're in the province. Hey Rosie, I'm recording a video. You want to say hi? I hope my mic audio is better. Now I have a headset. Rosie, what are you doing today? Hi. Because we can go to a jumping place.
Oh, the jumping place, okay? So
someone tell me could someone tell me why she's always so mad? Take all the food. Take all the fuck. Eat the food. Just eat the food. Just eat the food. You're hungry. Take it. I want to take it. Take it to the face. Why did they look scared? And then I think we'll be done for the day. Videos are already way too long. Keep my videos at least 10, 12 minutes or lower. 15 is literally the maximum. If any over that, I'll try to edit it. Because I don't think any of you guys want to watch a 15-minute video of me just rambling about things. Or if anybody actually watches the video. Video, I literally have 50 views. Or 40. There's one more views for this task. I don't really have anything to talk about. You guys gonna give me more money, or you guys gonna be lame? I guess that's it. Yeah. You'll see nothing. None of you guys see nothing. Okay, we're just gonna stop recording. But make sure to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell because I'm gonna be posting more videos. Hopefully. Well, this was your friend Alan the Boy Gaming. So wait till 13 minutes. Okay, bye.